In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install ChatGPT 2026 full guide. We'll keep this simple, safe, and focused on getting you up and running fast. First, make sure your computer meets the basic system requirements so you don't run into install errors later. You'll need Windows 10 version 177.6.3 or higher, or Windows 11 on either x64 or ARM64. If you're not sure, open Settings, go to System, then About to check your edition, version, and system type. The good news is that the desktop app is very light on your local resources because the heavy lifting happens securely in the cloud. So even das modest hardware will feel smooth. Next, get the installer from the official source. Open your browser and go straight to openai.com/chatgpt/desktop. Type it in manually rather than clicking ads or third-party links. On that page, choose the Windows option. When you click the Windows download button, you'll be routed to the Microsoft Store. That's expected, and it's exactly where you want to be for a verified, safe install. If you prefer to start in the store, open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu, search for ChatGPT, and select the listing published by OpenAI. Double-check the publisher name to avoid clones or repackaged apps. Then click Get or Install. Windows will handle the download, unpacking, and setup automatically in the background, so there's nothing extra you need to configure. When the install finishes, launch ChatGPT from the Start menu or use the new desktop shortcut. On first open, click Log In. You can sign in with your email and password or use a single sign-on option like continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. If you're brand new, click Sign Up in the app to create your account, then return to log in. Once you're in, try the universal overlay to pull up ChatGPT on top of any app or game. Press Alt plus space at the same time to open the lightweight input bar instantly. If the overlay doesn't appear, make sure the app is running in your taskbar tray. When you explore features like advanced voice or screen sharing, Windows may ask for microphone, camera, or accessibility permissions. Choose Allow or Grant access so those features work properly. You can manage these later in Windows settings under Privacy and Security if needed. And that's it. Moving ChatGPT from a browser tab into a dedicated Windows desktop app gives you native hotkeys, faster access, and hands-free voice tools, all in a secure, streamlined package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.